Your smartphone is hiding powerful secrets. From checking hidden menus to unlocking advanced settings, these secret Android and iPhone codes will blow your mind. Stay tuned as I reveal 10 codes you probably never knew existed. The most famous code, ##06#, instantly shows your phone's IMEI number, crucial for identifying your device. On many Samsung phones, dialing #0# opens the hidden service menu, where you can test your screen, speakers, sensors, and more. iPhone users can dial 3001 #12345 to access field test mode, revealing deep signal and network info. Want to know where your calls are forwarded when you're busy? Dial *#67# to find out. This code checks if your calls, SMS, or data are being diverted to another number. A handy way to spot suspicious activity. This Android-only code shows detailed phone usage, battery health, and app stats. Great for troubleshooting. Use this to check the number your SMS messages are sent through. Helpful if texts aren't going out. Enable or disable call waiting instantly, without going deep into settings. Want to call anonymously? Add #31# before any number, and your caller ID will be hidden. And don't forget, 112 is the universal emergency number, even if your phone is locked or has no signal. These are just some of the hidden phone codes you can try today. Which one surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and subscribe for more secret phone tricks.